Bubbleland. Let's start the story.
In the heart of Sparkle Valley, a land filled with magic and wonder, there lay a hidden treasure known as the Rainbow Bridge. This shimmering bridge was said to lead to a place called Bubbleland, a world where bubbles were not just spheres of soap, but living, breathing beings with personalities of their own. Ella was a curious and adventurous young girl who lived on the outskirts of Sparkle Valley. She had heard tales of the Rainbow Bridge and Bubbleland from her grandmother, who had once embarked on the journey herself. Ella's heart danced with excitement whenever she imagined a land filled with talking bubbles, colourful landscapes, and endless fun. One bright morning, Ella decided it was time to discover the truth behind the stories. She packed a small bag with snacks, a map, and a vial of magical bubble solution that her grandmother had given her. With a determined gleam in her eye, Ella set off towards the heart of Sparkle Valley, where the Rainbow Bridge was rumoured to appear on the rarest of occasions. After a journey filled with lush forests and sparkling streams, Ella finally reached the valley's centre. She gazed up at the sky, hoping for a sign of the Rainbow Bridge. Just as she was beginning to feel a touch of disappointment, a soft hum filled the air. Ella's heart raced as a brilliant rainbow arched across the sky, its colours dancing like joyful spirits. Ella followed the path of the rainbow, and as she stepped onto the Rainbow Bridge, she felt a tingling sensation beneath her feet. With each step, the bridge seemed to come alive, responding to her presence. As she reached the end of the bridge, she was greeted by a shimmering bubble gate that led into Bubbleland. Stepping through the gate, Ella found herself in a world beyond her wildest dreams. Everywhere she looked, bubbles floated and twirled, each with its own unique pattern and colour. Some bubbles giggled and danced, while others formed intricate shapes that looked like animals, flowers, and even miniature castles. Ella couldn't contain her excitement as she blew her magical bubble solution into the air. To her amazement, the bubbles she created weren't ordinary bubbles. They were living creatures that flew around her, responding to her laughter and playfulness. One bubbly friend with a crown-shaped pattern even carried her on a short, joyful flight through the bubble-filled sky. As the day waned and the sun began to set, Ella realized it was time to return home. With a heavy heart, she bid farewell to her bubbly companions and headed back towards the Rainbow Bridge. As she stepped onto the bridge once again, a soft voice spoke to her from the wind, thanking her for bringing her laughter and curiosity to Bubbleland. With a smile, Ella crossed the bridge back to Sparkle Valley. She knew that her adventure to Bubbleland was a memory she would treasure forever. And although Bubbleland remained hidden from the everyday world, the magic she had experienced there would forever fill her heart with joy and wonder. From that day forward, Ella shared her story with everyone she met, reminding them that sometimes the most magical places are the ones we can't always see, but can always feel in our hearts. And as the sun set over Sparkle Valley, the colours of the Rainbow Bridge continued to shimmer, a reminder that magic was always just a step away for those who believed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.